Hello my subscribers, today we are in Owerri and we'll be visiting the IMO International Convention Center. You know there's been so many stories about this center in the past, starting from 2014. So let's go back to 2021. A multi-million naira conference center built by Rochas Okorocha collapsed. Although not the whole building collapsed, a major part of it crumbled after a heavy rainfall. Remember, this project worth billions of naira, and after which they abandoned it. The structures was built in 2014 by Senator Rochas Okorocha. This project was meant to last for at least 100 years and more. So hold on as I walk down so you can see the structure itself. I would have to turn my camera from here so you can see the new structure that is being built by Governor Hope Uzodinma. And the new administration have to pull it down. I mean the old one, they pulled it down. And news have it that while inspecting the new construction site of the IMO International Conference Center, IICC In Owerri, Governor Hope Uzodinma couldn't help it but feel immense pride and excitement. He said this center holds a great significance for our state, promising to be a hub for economic and cultural exchange. So guys, let me know what you think about this new IICC in Imo State and the impact it's going to make in the Imo State economic and cultural exchange. Just be honest, and you can see the space. This can take up to a minimum of 200 cars or even more. Let's say 500 cars. So they are in the roofing stage. So what do you think? Do you think this will also collapse? I'm just joking. Do you think, what's your thoughts about this? And do you think the new administration is doing their best? So let me know that in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.